Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make hummus without oil, full guide. Start by draining and rinsing one 15-ounce can of chickpeas and reserve a few whole beans for garnish. Combine chickpeas with 1/4 cup tahini, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, 1 clove garlic, and a pinch of salt in a food processor. Pulse while adding reserved chickpea liquid to reach desired creaminess, then adjust seasoning and serve with warm pita. For great flavor and silky texture, toast whole spices gently before blending to release oils and aroma. Swap oil for aquafaba or reserved chickpea liquid and add it gradually until you reach the smoothness you prefer. For extra creaminess, peel a few chickpeas and blend them first to create a soft base. Finish with fresh lemon juice and salt to taste, then chill for at least 30 minutes to let flavors meld. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like the video to support the channel and get more recipes. Quick recommendation: the reusable Owala water bottle keeps you hydrated while prepping and tasting, and it's a handy kitchen companion for long cooking sessions. I've linked the product and other deals in the description so you can check them out. Thanks for watching, and now let's get back to the video. When serving, spread hummus in a shallow bowl, create a shallow well, and top with reserved chickpeas, paprika, and chopped parsley for contrast. Transfer leftovers to an airtight container and store in the refrigerator for up to 5 days, stirring before serving to restore texture. For longer storage, portion hummus into freezer-safe containers and freeze, thaw overnight in the refrigerator, and whisk to refresh the consistency before plating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.